Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are unboxing something that every driver should have. It's a Redtiger F7NP dash cam. Alright, let's check its packaging first. It looks pretty clean and solid with the Redtiger branding on the front and features listed on both of the sides. Now let's open it up. Here is the diagram showing all its connections and the buttons. The packaging looks so premium. There is some paperwork and user guide in this one here. Then we got the dash cam unit itself here. It's very tiny but feels solid. Let's move this film and see. This dash cam comes with a 4K recording that is very amazing to capture the license plates very clearly. Here are a few more buttons that can allow you to do different settings in the camera. This slot here is for the 12-volt power supply, which will help get continuous supply of power while your car is parked. Now this is the suction cup that will go onto your windshield, but the amazing thing about this is that it has a GPS inbuilt, which will help you track your vehicle from your phone. Now let's get this second box and see what's inside. Here comes the rear camera for your car or truck. The camera looks premium, it's solid. It has got a sticky tape that can help you mount it on the rear glass of your car. The rear camera comes with a pretty long wire that will help you easily connect it with the main unit in the front. Both of these cameras come with the night vision that will help you get recordings clearly in the night. Now let's go to this last box and see. I think it has some power supply cable and some tools and some clips. These are the small wire clips to attach your wire to the windshield. Now this is the power supply cable. It's a 12-volt supply and it's a C-type unit, so it can easily get connected with your car supply and provide you 24/7 power supply for your camera while parked. The wire also is pretty long, which would make it easy to connect it anywhere in your car. Now let's talk about this main dash cam. You can buy this whole setup for $110, which is a very reasonable price for this quality of camera. Main camera comes with a 4K recording which captures every details. It has also got wide angle recording which will record both the lanes in front of your vehicle. Then it has got a GPS and Wi-Fi which would help you connect to your application in your phone, and you can easily track your car or truck and also record the speed on which it is going. To buy this dash cam, you can easily go to the link in the description and directly buy it without any extra cost. Now assemble it a little bit. This GPS suction cup will go here on your dash cam, and you can easily remove it whenever you like and carry the dash cam with you. It comes with the adjustment, so you can make the adjustment according to your video recording. One thing I liked about the dash cam is that you can very easily set it up without any help. Just take this charging cable and just put it in the charging slot. To connect the rear camera, just take the rear camera cable and insert it in the audio video slot on your main dash cam unit. At the end of this video, I will show you how this actually works and what is the quality of the camera and how does it record. I have connected this dash cam on my semi truck, and you can see the quality of the recording in this video. The top left camera is the rear camera, and you can just toggle in between the different views in your application. It feels very safe with this Redtiger now. This is the Redtiger application interface in your phone, and you can easily see the camera view and also the GPS and the speed, your location, and everything on this application here. My truck is on standby, so the speed here is 0, and you can see the location very clearly. At the end, I would say it's a must have for all the drivers out there to be safe and drive safely. And thank you for watching Unbox Matrix. Keep connecting, keep commenting, keep liking, and I will bring new videos for you.